real quickly before we start this example, most of the assignment, or about half of it, I would say, is expanding and condensing for
Yes.
3.4. That's really the thing that we need to practice, because it's something that like they'll try to throw tricks at you, and you just have to learn how to deal with those tricks by seeing them. So the rest, though, this example 4 and example 5, they're pretty simple as well, and we're going to use our calculator to help us do some fancy logarithms. And part of this is going to depend on what kind of calculator you have access to, but all of them are capable of putting in
every single one.
Any logarithm.
Yes.
Because of this formula called the change of base formula.
Change of base.
Which you need to know no matter what calculator you have, that the change of base formula is whatever the bigger number is.
Goes on top.
Goes on top, and the smaller number
goes on
bottom. And it's written right here with log base a of x and log base a of b, but typically we either use just the log button on our calculator.
Which is the base 10.
Which has a base 10, or you can use the natural log button.
Which is base e.
And that's the neatest thing about this, is that both of those give you the same answer.
The exact same.
Yes. So if you have an 82, an 83, or the updated OS.
The very old 84, yes.
Yeah, then what you're going to have to do is the change of base formula to plug this in. So you do log of 7, which this will open a parentheses.
Got to close it. If you don't close the parentheses, then you're going to get some sort of really wacky number.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah.
Divided by log base 4.
Yes. So.
And so if you look at your calculator, you should have already, hopefully by now, seen. Oh, this is not what.
Hey, that's a logistic function there.
A couple of them, actually, I think. Here's my log button. Or, hey, I could have used the natural log.
You could have yes.
They're created equal.
They are created equal.
So see what we got going on here. What was that, 4?
Yes.
And you press enter.
Yes.
We want at least 3 decimal places.
At least.
So
4 is usually a little more healthy with logarithms.
1.4037.
Yes, or 6. You can truncate. You don't have to round.
1.04.
Hold on, I got you just in case.
1. Yep, that's not what it was.
4037.
You started saying other numbers and it threw me off. Okay, or if you have a calculator that's 84 plus with the updated version,
math print,
you go to if you can make fractions on your calculator, then you can.
You're gonna like what we. Cooler. It's even. Oh no,
yeah,
you're going a long
right.
way. You're going a long way. Get out of that. Okay. Alpha window. And then looky right there, log base.
So that's the 5th option.
Option 5. And then bam, template right there.
Yeah. So we want a little 4, a big 7. We press enter.
Boom, look, same number. Hey, just for funsy onesies, do natural log.
Okay, I can do that.
Well,
Why not?
We could just take a tour. And by the way, notice that K-Steve is closing parentheses on that 7. I'm telling you that will get you every time.
All of those are the same. So that's super cool.
And handy.
Yeah. So now, no matter what type of calculator you have, you can do any logarithm.
Any logarithm.
So you can go for it.
Which one you want? Which way you want me to do this one? And I'll just tune it up.
All right. It really doesn't matter.
Okay. All right. If you're just going to leave it open, I'm just going to go easy weasy, lemon squeezy peasy. That'd be 16 over 3.
Yeah, you.
Dang it. Did I mess up the tablet?
Yeah, you did.
Shoot, a monkey. My bad, K-Steve. My bad.
This technical difficulty brought to you once again by Mr. Hazelwood.
Why once again?
No reason.
That would imply that I've been the cause of other technical difficulties. Maybe we won't be speaking the rest of the lesson. I'll just...
And I could do natural log instead. I don't know. I don't really have a preference personally.
Not speaking.
And, this could be tricky to type in if you're not being careful. You could change that to a 0.5. That might be easiest instead of putting in a fraction.
The answer will surprise you.
It did actually surprise me a little bit.
Not Steve, I'm telling the children.
Wow, -1. Okay, go. You can tell them whatever you want.
You guys are all brilliant. All of you. Thank you for watching.